Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any related issues to auto brightness on the Redmi Note 14s. Let's begin! So first we want to go to the settings, and in the settings we can scroll down a little, then go to display and brightness. Here, right below our screen brightness level, we have an enable toggle to basically toggle on and off auto brightness, just like that. And as you can see, whenever it's disabled, we can enable sunlight mode, which will do something similar but based on the sunlight instead of like random brightness level right around the phone. But I will enable it back, but as you can see, it will bump up the brightness pretty hard. So I will now lower it. However, if you are using this feature a lot and for example you don't want to go into the settings each time, we can go back to our main home screen, expand our control center, scroll down a little, go to edit, and in the edit we have a system toggle for auto brightness. So we can add it by clicking plus icon. We can also rearrange its location so it can be accessed more easy. Then we can hit the check mark to save our changes, and here we have option to bump up auto brightness or disable it if you want to. And as always, if still this is not working for you for some reason, you can just continue to perform a soft reset, and you can do that by simply disabling your phone. You can do that by pressing and holding power button. Though sometimes it's actually set to to AI assistant, especially on some newer models. So normally the second shortcut is power button and volume up or down. So let's try that. That is a screenshot, so let's try this one. And as you can see, the shortcut for rebooting is the power button and volume up. So now we can reboot our phone like this, and our issues with auto brightness should go away. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.